Are you an aspiring artist looking to find your unique painting style? Today we're going to embark on a journey of self-discovery as we explore how to find your unique voice and style in painting. If you're ready to take your art to the next level, then grab your brushes and let's dive in. Hi, I'm Vickie and welcome to my art channel. As artists, we all strive to create something that is uniquely ours. Finding your voice and style in painting is essential because it sets you apart from other artists, helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level. It's a reflection of your personality, your experiences, emotions, and it's what makes your art truly special. My journey started with Michael's craft store, painting with acrylics, but I received a community of like-minded artists. As my journey continued, I searched for an artist who painted portraits but also had the heart and patience of a teacher. My first workshop with Frank Covino, I was in awe, but his first words were, "Whoever painted this is 5 values too dark." Ooh, that was me, but I never gave up, for I was eager to learn. He said, develop your style by studying the works of the masters. Analyze their techniques, color choices, and compositions. One of the best ways to find your voice and style is by experimenting with different techniques and mediums. Try working with acrylics, oils, watercolors, or even mixed media. Play around with various brushstrokes, color palettes, textures. The more you explore, the closer you'll get to discovering what resonates with you. I was so excited to share my paintings, but still received comments like, "It's too dark. Where's the vibrant color you wanted?" It's a journey, a marathon, and not a sprint in learning. Some things came easier for me, and boy, some did not. If you found value in this, please subscribe, leave a comment, share, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Watch to the end for how I found my voice and style. I tried to paint so many different ways to find what was inside of me that I wanted to get out, but I couldn't explain. Then I found Milan Art Institute Mastery Program, which gave me the color understanding I needed. One day after hearing, "It's still too dark," I had enough and said, "I will show you, and I will work from a black gesso canvas and paint to the highest highlight, for it could only get lighter." Wow, it finally came together as you see me layering, coloring in this painting. Sometimes something just clicks and you get it. Don't be afraid to break the rules. Go against the grain. Put your spin on it. It's your journey of discovery. There's not just one way, but what you're trying to bring out of your inner spirit. Mine was a shy and quiet artist, but with a powerful, colorful inner spirit that needed to come out. Finding your voice and style is an ongoing process. As you grow and evolve as an artist, so will your art. Keep practicing, experimenting, and learning. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If so, please share your aha moment when you knew you found your art style and said, "I am an artist." Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.